These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we'll take a couple of trades and I will try to explain each and every single one of the trades. Alright, right now we have a ranging market. This is a very good range with big rejections from ups and downs. So there's some potential opportunities for coming point of rejections like this, which I haven't taken. And it was lining up with this order block right here. But now I'm looking for taking some buy trades on this range. Right now it's on this coming point, but already... Okay. Two trades on this one. Usually these kind of ranges, if you found them, you can try on back and forth red green pattern and color pattern and market sequences like that. If you look at this range, it's so unlikely to have multiple red candles. You can see we can only have a single one. We have multiple red ones here again, single one time. So most likely we're gonna have the color pattern is with us. Okay, this is also an engulfing pattern which can give us a retracement. Also, this is third touch breakout. That's why I took two trades on this one, because it's just there's just more than enough reasons to take it. And not only that, this is also a beautiful order block which is supporting the price. See, previously it rejected second time. It's this third time that the price is landing on it. That was a losing trade because of our entry, I guess. That was insane. I can't believe I lost that. I need to journal this for sure. And it was because of my crazy bad entry. I don't know. I'm not sure. So that was a loss. Yeah, we'll add the setup details later, but that was a very bad loss, not gonna lie. And I really want to... Yeah, I definitely made a mistake here. Based on the money management, I need to stop here and take a break. But for the sake of video, I cannot stop. That's why I will keep trading. But for the journal users and normal traders who trade out there with patience and looking for the best trades, it's better for you to stop when you have multiple losing trades like that. It's surprising losing trades usually hurt the most. For example, right now, if someone experiences that, probably will freak out and will try to make it up soon as possible. But the fact is, it will just push you even lower. Okay, that's why the journal suggests you to take a break, and you should take a break just like that, or maybe end your session. Okay. And yeah, it's okay. Sometimes happens. You see, it's inevitable. But I will try to see if I can take some good trades. Okay, that was unexpected. Let's see. Okay, we have a doji break here, but I don't trust this doji, honestly. I do not trust it, but I want to take it because of the gap down. I don't want to go double trade on this one. I'm sorry. If I go double trade on this one as well and I lose again, that's going to be a huge mess, okay? And that's why I take it one trade. I'm aware that I lost multiple trades on previous trade, and that wasn't my fault. I had enough reasons to take that trade. And it happens, okay? We never can always be right? So, yeah, this doji break is a winning trade. Let me just take my screenshot. But the point is, if you are making any mistakes during your session... How can I turn these sounds off, bro? This Windows sounds are driving me nuts. I lowered it. Yeah, make sure you remember what your mistakes was, okay? I technically cannot add new trades because I should stop. And depending on which version of journal you choose, the strictness of journal will differ. For example, on lighter version of it, you can just ignore the stop sign and keep trading. But in DrGrand, version, which is this one, I've set some rules that you have to stop. Like, there's no way you keep going if you want to trade properly. Otherwise, your emotions will kick in. You're going to blow the hell out of your account, okay? Yeah, that's why we never want to ignore our rules. All right, but the last freaking... This is the entry, guys. Oh, we have better into this one. Let's see if the market's going to reject. Oh, in fact, I think, yeah. Yeah, I know that. I knew that would happen. Okay, this is a decision point. See, this is a resistance. Right before it, we have this one, which reacted like that. And I was expecting it. Oh, we already have a reaction from this one as well. I was thinking maybe inside this demand, there's a lower time frame entry, which there is, and market can react of it. But it seems it's low quality. Let's see. This is one of my bad sessions. All right. All right. If I win this, we are basically break even. And normally, okay, I'm trying to give you the perspective. Let's imagine I'm not recording this video. I would definitely freaking stop right here. I would definitely stop right here and consider this as a break-even session, okay? Even though it has been like almost 7 minutes I'm in. It should be like a normal trader should stop right here. But if I just stop right here, wouldn't you be mad because of video being short? Tell me in the comments. If I'm realistic, I should stop here. If I'm not, if I want to have a like more better video for you guys, I need to keep at least taking like 1 or 2 more trades. Let me know in the comments if I should keep it realistic, like do exactly what I would do if I'm not recording, or for the sake of video, try to have more trades. Okay, I wouldn't take this one now because it will close on the next candle. If I take it, let's go. Yeah. This is a gap down again in the favor of buyers. It may trick the sellers here and then go up, so I'm not gonna do anything there. We have some good common point of rejections here, man. Good common point of rejections. Honestly, we have a better one even here. If it comes off, that's gonna be sick. This one also, this buy and sell, these common point of rejections are nice. It should go up on the first 30 seconds of the candle. Right now, it doesn't matter because if I take it, it will close on the next candle right now. So it wouldn't worth for me to risk it. So I will keep looking. Yeah, today was a tough session. Sometimes happens. It's fine. This is a triple bottom. See? Beautiful reversal pattern here. And market will keep going until the next demand up there. Let me see the yeah, it's been a major downtrend, but it's a minor ranging market. See, this range has broken here. It pulled back and then it decided to drop like crazy, and then the market decided to come back to the range, and now I'm expecting again touching this demand up there. All right, this is a clean QM. The entry should be down here somewhere. All right, I'm gonna stop right here, man. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching and peace out.